Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to create a Firebase project. So to get started, what I'd like you to do is open up your web browser and go to firebase.google.com. Once you're at the website, you should see a UI presented like this. From here, what we can go is that we can go to the top right panel where it says go to console and we can click on that. But before that, if you do not have this option showing up, what I'd like you to do is actually log in with your Google account into the Firebase website, and once you have that, hopefully you should have this option. So once you have this, you can actually either click on get started or go to console. Let's just do get started, and this is going to take us to the Firebase console where we can actually see our existing Firebase projects as well as new projects that we'd like to create. So I'm going to click on add a project, and from there I'm going to give my project a name. So what I'll do is that I'll name my project Chatify Udemy just for my convenience, and from there I'm going to click on continue. With this, I'll enable analytics for this project because as a developer myself, I appreciate the ability to see analytics from the software products that I sell. And the same way I'd like the Google developers for them to make this product better. Hence, I usually enable or opt into sharing my analytics for this project with them. But it's just something that's not necessary. You can disable if you'd like to. Then click on continue again, and now what you'd like to do is that you'd like to click a Google Analytics account if you've selected sharing analytics. So I'm just going to do default account for Firebase and click on create project. And then I'm just going to wait for the spinner to actually complete creating the project for me. And once it's done, I'm actually going to resume the video again. So I'll see you guys once it's done. Okay, everybody, welcome back. So now that our project is created, I'm going to click on continue, and this will take us to the actual dashboard where we can see our project. So now that our project is created, we can add it to the specific applications that we wanted to add. The way we're going to integrate our Firebase project with our Flutter application is that we're going to handle the task of integrating it first with iOS and then with Android. And I'll break these videos down into separate parts. So now that our Firebase project has been actually created, I think the next logical step is, since we have the iOS simulator up right now, is to integrate the project on iOS. And once we're done with that, then we'll go ahead and we'll integrate it with Android as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.